Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to offer and accept challenges on chess.com. So the first thing that you'd like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you in your PC. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type chess.com and hit the enter button, and that should take you into this page. Of course, if you have an account, you can simply go and click on this login option on this left panel, and here you can enter your username or email, password, and check this remember me if you don't want to log in anymore. Of course, you can even log in with your Apple account, Google account, or Facebook account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of logging into your account. Or if you don't have an account, you can simply go and click on sign up from here or sign up from here. Both will take you to this page. And here, of course, you'll just have to choose a username, email, enter an email password, and simply click at sign up. Of course, you'd like even to choose your chess skill level, new to chess, beginner, intermediate, or advanced. And also, you can sign up with Apple, Google, or Facebook, like login if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of this signing up. So once you're logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find yourself here in this home screen or the main screen of the chess.com. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to offer and accept challenges on chess.com, and of course you can do that with your friends. So if I go here to socials on this list panel and go to friends, I will not actually find any friends in my friend list here. But of course, let me just go back to the home screen. And of course, once I am here, let's just go to this game as an example. As you can see, that game that I already played, if I want to offer this guy a match, as you can see he's online, I can actually click on this rematch button, and that will offer the guy a draw. And of course, if you want to accept challenges, there's a pop-out on the bottom right corner that will appear to you. If someone challenges you, you will have an accept or reject option. Choose whatever suits you and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. Hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.